Move. I can figure this out.
This does too. What the fuck? What place only has change and credit cards? Everybody carries money.
Yeah, there's no like.
What in this?
You could always put quarters in. Don't take quarters.
Yeah, no, that's why I said change.
Oh, and then also, I'm sorry.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. Before we continue, I must say sadly, I'm not in any of these clips in this video. I was at work while the other guys were at a hotel having fun. This isn't going to be our usual video style, but this is what they recorded. Make sure to watch the whole thing to see extra clips they recorded. Hope you enjoy.
It doesn't even say anything.
Phil, try swiping the dollar.
It didn't work. It's not working.
I mean,
I'm gonna just ask for change downstairs.
$1.
Work.
No. Also, it's $1.25.
Oh, darn. Phil, tip it over, break it, punch the glass.
Imagine if I just fucking punched it and broke my hand.
Yeah, I can see it.
Ah! And now.
Call prestige.
Like, hey, fuckers.
Need some money.
Alright, well, let's go. Oh, we're going.
I'm just ask for
Going for
change.
food. No, I gotta see this. I gotta get this on video.
Change.
It's a chain?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just straight.
I can't.
Hold
Actually, I'll
on.
get
We
the-
got
I'll get the-
Ashton, no.
Alright, guys.
There we go. It's a buddy system.
Guys, don't lose your body, okay? Oh, okay. I call pressing the button.
Oh, shit. Got my nipples and mask.
Wait, did you take them and it's over down there?
Dude, they're gone. They left us. They're long gone.
They left us.
Where are we going? Floor 1?
Floor one.
Lobby.
There's no lobby button.
Oh, yeah.
Floor 1.
So, how y'all guys doing? Friends?
You're always greasy. You're fucking
Oh,
nasty.
shit, that's good. Shit. We're
Yo,
going down.
right now, there's no way to tell if we're just plummeting towards the bottom.
Sure.
It's scary, right? Oh, we're good.
I want to see if our
It's only one
shins-
floor though, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, but the basement.
Yeah, that's a basement.
There's always a basement.
Is there a basement?
Yes, there's a basement.
That's a basement.
The door's still
You just keep running and you raise money and stuff. And you get like whole
Oh,
punching the card.
yeah, we did that. I had that too.
Oh, well, I mean, your sister goes there, right? So.
Yeah.
But there's this kid. He got trampled. He had to go to the hospital.
Who trampled him?
Everybody just kept stepping on him. Making him flop right now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right.
You should.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
That's it.
Right? But it's at 60 frames per second, so it's gonna.
This way, this way, this way.
This way?
Yep. Should we do a knock him on the way back?
Sorry, Mrs. Home Forced. We're going to.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Seamus.
What's up? What's up? And this is the channel intro, I guess.
Yeah, we'll put this in there. I got hit. My light isn't working. Oh. I'm dead.
Do it.
They're gonna throw that at me. Magic. Oh, fuck. Yo, Phil, look at me.
What's up?
We out here.
We out, Chia.
When I went like this around the corner to see him, jump back.
Bro, next time someone comes up, let's do this. And just like kind of like watch him as you walk around. Jump from.
Do one more time, one more time, one more time.
Oh! Be like you're waiting and waiting to fight before you actually move your stand.
Or clear.
Clear. This fucking ice on my wrist, fam. Check out this fucking ice on my wrist. Oh shit!
Was found everything, and
Sleep.
Ow, I hurt my own leg.
Sleep. How did that feel?
That felt good.
Actually, not very good.
Oh.
It wiped me off my feet.
Yeah, Phil kind of does that to people, right, Phil?
He's gonna cry. Look at.
No,
You're gonna cry, bro?
I'm good.
You're gonna cry?
Oh, my ass
I
hurts.
missed his butt. His like upper thigh.
Yeah.
Can we try that again? Okay.
Oh my.
Go check for a print, dude.
Vroom, vroom.
I am tiger.